Welcome back in our tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to introduce our left hand. Now in our previous videos we've been looking at our right hand, seeing how we can play different chords, how we can play different progressions, but we've been only doing it with one hand. Let's look at our left hand. What can it do? How can it be introduced into our playing? Okay, now we are going to look at the left hand in 4 phases, and in the first phase our left hand is going to be playing the same thing as our right hand. For example, if you're playing the chord progression 1, maybe 1, 4, and 5, and then you're playing it like this. You can pick any progression you feel like you've been practicing, or you feel like it's sounding nice for you. Now, if you're playing the right hand like this, our left hand is going to be playing the same thing. So this is going to help us add warmth and more harmony in our chord progression. So instead of playing like this, you're going to be playing like this. Yeah, so you can practice that with all the chord progressions you've been going through, and then until you feel like you're comfortable and you have control over your hands. Then the second phase is where the left hand is only playing the bass notes, only the bass notes. Now, for example, the same chord progression. This is our 1, this is our 4, this is our 5. So the left hand is going to only be playing the bass notes. This is our 1, this is our 4, this is our 5. So you can be like, so this can help you. Suppose you are playing on the deeper notes, you can be. So it will help you add bass to your chords. So you have, I suppose you are playing a 6, so you can practice that with all the progressions, you know, and then make sure you have control over your left hand. And our third phase is going to be that when the left hand is playing only 2 notes, and with these only 2 notes, and with this we are going to be picking the first note and the 5th note. You can either pick it from this side, going this side at first and 5th, or you can pick it first and 5th. Doesn't matter. So for example, you can say, or you can say, then you can say, then sound nice, isn't it? Our third phase is the power chord. Now for the power chord, you have to play the first note, the 5th, and the first note again. So suppose you are playing a 1, so this is going to be 1, 1, then 4, then 5. So it's going to be, yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We shall be back with other videos. Subscribe, follow, like, share, comment.